How to get ring light feature on Snapchat. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply get the ring light feature on Snapchat in 2022. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up the Play Store or App Store and search for the Snapchat application. Once you search for it, you just have to make sure whether your Snapchat application is updated or not, because this ring light is a new feature that won't be available on the previous versions of this app. So I'm gonna go and check my version of Snapchat. So here it is, my version is 11.79.0.34. so make sure you have this latest version because I have that ring light feature. So now coming back to the application, we'll open up the Snapchat. Once we do that, you look that there's this flash icon that is the very top right corner under that sign where you can simply change the camera. So once you tap on it, you see there's this ring light feature. There's this light around the screen. So there are 2 to 3 types of colors in it that are basically the warmth. This is the neutral one. You can always choose the yellow one, and you can also choose the blue one. And this icon that is appearing, that is a little bold or more bigger than the upper circles, is basically for it to have more or less radiant. That means it exerts pressure. So this is the ring light feature on Snapchat, and you can always use it and make yourself vulnerable to it. So it won't appear on the back of the camera that much, but it is always helpful on your face while taking the selfies. So this is how you do it. This is how you use this. I hope I've made myself clear and this video was really informative. And if you guys really like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you guys really have any query or question, just comment down below. I'd love to answer. Till next time, peace.